আমি খান লগতে ইটা নিঙু তুলে আছে কিন্তু তাই ওয়ার্ড 2 লাগা কাউন্সিলর আছে আৰু তাই ইটা আন্ডার দ্য ডিএমসি মার্কেট রেগুলেশন এনফোর্সমেন্ট আৰু প্রাইস কন্ট্রোল লাগা হেড করে আছে ইটা তো আজি মহান তাই লগতে আহাদো Dimapur under the DMC jurisdiction hutai dikhi pai ase market rate to beshi regular no hoy aro every day DMC comes out with a rate chart kurina that sob kintu vegetable vendors hubi market vendors hubi tadi under DMC jurisdiction kintu kiman ase tahan idu follow kuru lage be it vegetables poultry or any sorts of meat products that is coming into the market under the DMC jurisdiction idu ki laga pricing bra jawo lage idu regulation tahan bra kore aro aji mohan taige ahado ami khan bishi complaints paina ase public bra alak alak chutu chutu colony laga bazar hobi under the DMC jurisdiction colony de hobi yadi chutu chutu bazar khan vendors khan bi tahan idu price rate to follow na kure aru kiman koilbi tahan la main excuse to mohan town bra ane ase nohele assam bra ane idula charges la hisab te tahan idu dale ase idu ane idu hike up kuri de koina holibi aji sir bra mohan ki kole mun ja ase idu ekpa huniwo to sir apni khan bi DMC hotai inga rate to bunai na de every day aru idu follow kuru lage to follow na kurabi complain ahina na ahina public khan bra apni khan la office te
Thank you, Nagaland News Network. Aji amikhan logote aha nimide ekdom khushi paise. Itu bal platform ekta te pura ami laga views ekta duita apnikan ke share kuri dibole mon ase. DMC pura amikhan every day morning te rate regulations bedoru sob kuri gene die. Aji iman takate bigiri grubo, iman takate bigiri grubo koi gene pura items kan to amikhan de itu tu amikhan outside Nagaland kote source te pra ase tate pra amikhan calculate kuri gine rate tu banai gine die hole bi market te bi manu khan bi sob eke nohai aru kumba laga rasta tu alop dur kumba khata eniga hisab te pra takhan khushi khushi aru takhan la expenditure ase koi gine rate tu banai loy holibi moi aji public ke kobole mon tu ami laga phone number bi di dibo apuni kan june hoise gole bi jodi DMC laga rate chart every day ula itu rate te pra jodi kumba ucha pra bikri kuri ase koise gole public kan sob holibi morom kuri gine information amikhan ke dibi amikhan pura sob kona koni pura de jai gine tu check kurubole na pare gine bi thake main market khan check kuri dise gole kona koni khan tu na pare gine bi thake apuni khan amikhan ke koise gole amikhan apni han ke modot dibo paribo aru jodi mongso hobo dibi mas hobo dibi kiba bia kumba bikai daga eniga paise gole itu khan bi amikhan ke report dibi amikhan ke report dise gole amikhan kanun hisab te pura takhan logote action lobo hole bi amikhan la shortcomings tu hole amikhan bi sob jaga te tu jai gine nu punchi gine bi thake itu pura town dangor hisab te pura aru staff committee hisab te pura nu punchi gine bi thake itu pura apuni khan morom pura enega kumba thakise gole ekku hesitate nokuri gine aru babana biate na jaigine bal babana debra ahigine amikhan ke report dibi aru help us to help you better itu kobole mon ase
another question I want to ask is ido whoever defaulters khan ase tahan ido rate to ini hike up kurina still deny not following the regulated price rate penalty to ki ase aru kina action lobole ase DMC
amikhan first offense nimide amikhan 3000 fine loy aru second offense hoise gole amikhan tahan laga license cancel kurubole likhi gene ase aru itu strictly follow kurubo kanun tu sob manu nimje eke hobo napa nimite aru report aji tok tu ami iman napai ami logote iman complaint nahe hole bi kali person jitia moi logote complaints aibo itu ami correct kurubole ami moila pura koshish dibo thank you
aro moala colony khande chutu hobi various colonies they under DMC jurisdiction localities khande mohan bazar khan chutu chutu thake colony bazar how can the village council help in this also? Can you also say a little few words? Apni bhi do village council can be noile ji gangbura kan hobi noile youth council youth can be of the locality tahan bhi kineka help korbo paribo ina la sakte.
These days, by God's grace, we Nagas are also very well qualified. Aro technology bhi bishi bal hoise. Any colony or anywhere, it can be Gambura youth or any layman for that matter, or any citizen for that matter. If you find any complaint, you can always call us up. Our phone numbers are also given in the rate chart. So you can always call us up.
So sir, where can we also do rate chart to kutte pao sir?
Aji itu social media te moi moila number di dibo. Itu number te apni kan kitia holibi amige call koribi aro WhatsApp kan de itu lobby. Very soon we will also try to come up with a download kuribo para ekta banai gine tate pura public ke rate kan tu janai dibole amhen kosis kuribo. Etia apni kan moi kan la itu kan do le tu ene WhatsApp group kan dibi ase. Itu WhatsApp group kan dibi apni kan ene sabo pare. Aro anytime apni kan moi ke call koribi. Moila number ko abi koi dibo. Moila number 2 ase 70055519238. Ini ase de. Thank you.
Thank you. So, Councillor Thaishe Ward 2 laga, he is in charge of market regulation enforcement and price control. Our Taira Kwa Nishna. Ido do public pi aina complain kuro lage if they are facing any issues in regard to price and the market rate under DMC jurisdiction. Tahan key problems face kuri ase with the market rates of mangso hobi, mas hobi, vegetables hobi, fruits hobi. Key pricing under the DMC jurisdiction there. Tahan ge aina complain kuri. He has given his personal phone number as well. Aji amehan ge and to the public because they are very serious also when it comes to this market rate. Our Taiba Kwanishna public. Ekla nohina, aro even the vendors khan, vegetable vendors or sellers khan ke bhi taibra icha kuina ase strict warning dina ase aro offense first offense to 3,000 rupees ase and then so on and then license be revoke kurule idu tak pi the offense that will cost them to idu inega ase ajila news to hopefully the public can come to the DMC office here ya the forest colony the DMC office ase. Anybody, the doors are open for the public and they have also mentioned this to us that anybody can come here during working office hours and make a complaint and the strict action will be taken. Esther here with camera person Tamjan for Nagaland News Network.